for the leader will be left forward to the side, forward. One more time, left forward to the side, left forward. And then from here, for side 4, we are going to open to the right side of the leader. Again, left, left, left turn. That will be the beginning of a turn, yes. I will do it in a different orientation, so you also can see that part at the end. The washing machine. And this one will be a forward 8 cortado for the follower. I will do the forward part. Again, the leader. Exactly. I will count the movements. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Everything in double time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the follower. For the follower, back with the right, to the side with the right, backward with the right, forward with the right, left and left forward. One more time. Back and back and forward and side and forward. One more time. Backward, side, backward, forward, side and forward. Slow motion, tap, 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 tap. And here we can do this. For the forward 8 cortado. And then can go close. I do it in the other orientation.